Hey guys, welcome to my page again. So in this video, we'll be talking about gold again, as usual. So in my previous video, I've made some videos on gold, and it has been acting nicely. So let's quickly jump into this analysis. I don't want to take too much of time on this. We clearly can see impulse move, correction. You need to understand that after correction, there's going to be another impulse move. So that is our expectation, right? So, and there's something you need to pay attention to, guys. So, so this is what daily time frame. On daily time frame, we can see the price has taken out this high. We have this break of structure, and we have this other block, daily order block. So we have this liquidity sweep right here. We're going to see that clearly on the 4 hours time frame. And so one thing I need you to pay attention to is this. Let's check something on 4 hours time frame. You really need to pay attention to this, and I will explain it. I hope you guys will understand what I'm talking about. So we have this resistant trend line, support, price break through it, come back to make a retest, which is what everybody is expecting. After retest, we should see a bounce to the upside. Yeah, and it's aligned with this daily order block, right? Daily order block. And look at something right here. We have this inverse head and shoulder. We have this inverse head and shoulder. After this inverse head and shoulder, price came back, make a push to respect the the neckline. Excuse me, the neckline. So I'm gonna take all these things out. Like, that's exactly what I want you guys to see there. And one other thing I want you guys to quickly see on this area is that price always repeats itself. It might come in a different structure, but it always repeats itself. So we have this liquidity sweep right here. We have this liquidity. Price took out the liquidity. And take out the high that gave it, that swept this liquidity. Same thing happens right here. We have this liquidity sweep. Price took out the high that swept the liquidity and came back again to retest that area, just as the same way it came back to retest this area. So what happened after retesting this area? When price came back to retest this particular area, which is the demand zone, it pushed to the upside. So price is currently at that same demand zone. What should you be expecting? Another push to the upside. And if you look at what happened here, let me take this out first. See what happened here. We have this liquidity sweep. Before price came down to sweep. Took out the buy side, the sell side liquidity, and took out this buy side liquidity. Right here we have sell side liquidity taken out, and price took the buy side liquidity as well. Can you see that this thing is doing just the same thing? buy side liquidity, sell side liquidity taking, buy side liquidity taking, sell side liquidity taking, buy side liquidity taking, and after price took out the buy side liquidity, what happened? It shoots straight to the upside. So which simply means this was the high that took the liquidity, which means once price took out this high, that is, once this high is taken, there's possibility of price coming back before going higher. So pay attention to that. This is the bullish case scenario. I'm going to talk about the bearish case scenario actually. So I'm expecting price to grind up from this area. So this is 4 hours time frame, right? So we'll quickly want to see something on 15-minute or 5-minute time frame, but before that we clearly can see this break of structure, which simply means price is bullish on 4 hours time frame. We are bullish on 4 hours time frame, and after a break of structure, price came back to the discount zone. It's currently at the discount zone, which is the best area to go long. So we want to see a confirmation on the lower time frame. Let's go to 15-minute time frame. So what confirmation are we expecting on 15-minute time frame? We want to see a current high, a previous high, current high to be taken out. We want to see a shift. So this is what I can see on this 15-minute time frame. We have this resistance level. Let's take this order block out. We have this support level turned to resistance level. We have this break of structure. We have this break of structure. We want to make use of this recent one. This break of structure. And we have this liquidity sweep. The buy side liquidity sweep right here. So if we go to 5-minute time frame, we can see that price actually built up liquidity right here, and we have this order block with fair value gap below it. We have this order block, and we have this fair value gap. Actually, we have this fair value gap imbalance. That's good. So the bull has a lot of things to contend with right here. They have this resistance trend line to contend with. They have this order block to contend with. They have this support, turning to resistance. They have this resistance level area of interest to contend with. Okay, so pay attention to that. But I can see price coming back to this area, even this area. So if we now have a break above this area, or let me use it this way, if we have price taking out this area, come back here, give us a kind of consolidation, and we have a massive break to the upside, then wait for a retest. Your first target will be this previous high, this liquidity. That will be your first target. Let's quickly check something on 5-minute time frame real quick. So we can see on 5-minute time frame that on 5 minutes we can see that there is a liquidity build right here. Price is gonna take them out. It has even gonna take them out. So we have this liquidity, we have this imbalance, and we have this order block. So currently I am expecting price to come to this order block or to fill up this fair value gap in here. And in a situation whereby, of course, there's going to be a reaction once price get to this area. There's going to be a reaction 100% because we have this order block right here above this liquidity. So price is going to react, but it's going to take it out. Price will definitely take this area out. So this would be a smart money trap, SMT. Then once price come to this order block, there's going to be a reverse to the downside. And once the price reverses down, it could be a retest back to this area or consolidation around here. Then we have a massive break above this resistance level. Then after breaking above it, wait for price to make a retest, just something like this, like I've explained. Have a break above this area, price come back, consolidate around here, consolidate. Then we have a bullish breakout. Then so we're looking at something like this on gold. But once this area is taken out, this other block is taken out, you're looking for buying opportunity. And if you want to take a risk, you can actually go long from here because we can see a break above this area. Price make a retest already. You can go long, but your stop loss will be below this swing low right here, which is so wide. If you're targeting this area, that is very, very wrong. So actually, this is what I have on gold. If you like the content, subscribe to my channel and leave your comment in the comment section. So quickly before I end this video, I want to talk about the bearish case scenario real quick. The bearish case scenario, we can quickly see that price has given us this break of structure. We have this BOS and we have price coming back to this other block. And it gave us another BOS right here. And price came back again to this supply zone, which is the premium zone after the break of structure. So it is very possible, it is very, very possible for price to make this as a fake out. And make this as a fake out. Let me take out all this. So price can make this as a fake out and slowly grinding to the downside. Come back here, then we have a massive pull to the downside. And looking back to the previous price action, you can see this area. Price can come back to this area to respect this particular area, giving us another double bottom, just like this one, then start grading up. Yeah, this is very, very possible. This is very, very possible. You can look on. That's a bearish case scenario because if you look at this, we have this all this support level. All this support level has been taken out. So this support level has been taken out already. Price took liquidity, change character right here. So it's price can definitely push back to this area and drop massively. So either disrespect this trend line or disrespect the trend line to come down as low as A. So something like this. Price can come up here, then come down, disrespect this area, probably push up a bit, then come here, double bottom here, then we have another massive push to the upside. So this is very possible. In that situation, you will see that price has failed to give us a new lower low, failed to give us a lower low, then it gave us equal low, then we are looking for higher high. So this is very possible actually. That's what I want us to look at. Or if price give us this lower low again, giving us double bottom right here again, then it's going back. Anything can happen. But as for now, at this particular area, we are looking at price going up. So if this doesn't happen, in case price is coming down, you should understand in all these analysis I've made, you should understand what exactly the market is doing. So that's what I have for now.